Hey, what's up? It's Privacy J here. Today I'm going to be unboxing of the MacBook Pro with 15-inch Touch Bar display. Now, the MacBook Pro is old for a long time ago. It comes with the new ones. So, it has been got it from the Apple Store. Let's get around the unboxing. So with this. Come on. Wow. Yep. That's the new MacBook. That is the new one. It's a touch bar display. Let's get back to the second. Right now we got the USB, the cable thing, the USB cable, and that comes with that. That's for the charger for the computer and for the MacBook, and got the instruction manuals. Yep, that's the instruction manuals. And finally, we had the charger for the MacBook Pro that looks like it. Alright, so let's go back. Let's go back to the laptop. So, sorry guys, I hear the siren. Hold on a second. Okay, sorry guys, that was the ambulance. Sorry, I've been disturbing me. Just like we did on the HP Spectre X360 or the X360, whatever that is. So this is our nice MacBook computer instead of with the laptop. Let's get this box out of the way. Now let's open up. Oh my god. Wow, that looks like it's booting up right now. So while it's booting up, let's do the size comparisons. The size comparison to the old MacBook that looks like this, after all, is all the way. So that comes with old MacBook to a new one instead of that. Probably, I just like that MacBook, but when I graduate, by the way. Anyway, so that's why the old MacBook is gonna be. This one is dead. That's why the good ones are good. All right, that's the old MacBook. All right, guys. So that was it. So this is the new MacBook Pro with 15-inch display with touch bars. So that's gonna be it. So if you're gonna subscribe for more content, it's a Privacy J Productions. Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, we'll let you know all about it. Facebook, my name is Jaden Garcia. Instagram name is JTech727. And Snapchat is Scoots0727. Thanks for watching and peace out.